Right guys, I hope you're all happy and well. I'm back out on another bottle dig. I've not been out for maybe 2 months now. I've had a bit of a change in my life. I've decided to go from late shift to mornings, 6 to 2. So I'm on days now. Reason being, I just want to spend some more time with my kids. When they come home from school, I want to be there. I did 15 years on late shift and I probably think I did a bit of a mistake by just going for money sort of thing. So yeah, I've took a little bit of a wage cut, which it's not bothering me at all whatsoever. I just want to see my kids a lot more than what I do, rather than just on a weekend basically. So yeah, it's gonna be hard getting out on a Friday because I work Fridays now. Before I never worked Fridays. I did a 4-day week, 10 hours a day. Now I'm doing 8 hours a day, so I'm working the Friday now. So it is going to be a little hard to get out more doing digs, but I'm going to do it best I can. I must admit, I've been on days now for a while, and it has messed with my body clock a little bit. So I was struggling. I was getting home at 2 o'clock and I was starting to nod off, you know, just fall asleep at, you know, around about 5:30 in the afternoon. So I thought to myself, I can't be doing any digging videos at the minute until my body clock starts to, you know, sort itself out. So I'm feeling pretty good now. It's getting there, my body clock. It's starting to adjust. So hopefully I'll be back out in afternoons at some point for a week doing my videos as usual. So yep, today I'm out. I'm really glad to be out. Like I say, it's been a while. Weather's nice, so I'm going to get up to Tip and see what I can find. I'm going to go up to a part at Tip where I've been before, and it's a part where I was finding like military badges. I found a Polish military Air Force badge in that area, so I'm going to give that area a go today and see what we can find. So yeah, let's get cracking and let's get up there. Right, I've just found a bit of milk glass with looks of it in wall. I've found these before. I'm pretty sure it says Princess on side somewhere. I may be wrong, it might be a different one. Yeah, it is a different one. But it is a piece of milk, what they call milk glass. But yep, it's a plain one. First find it there. Right, first Bovril's popped out. A nice early one. We always like a Bovril. Right, first bottle showing its sen. I reckon it's probably 1950s, I'm guessing. Maybe 40s, late 40s. I think it's AI sauce. Not sure, I'm just seeing A there. But it's got a nice fancy neck on it. An elegant neck. But yeah, first bottle. Right, we're fairly still on surface really. This little bottle just popped its sen out. Not sure what it is like, but it's a nice little elegant bottle. Right, we've got a bottle showing. Here we go. Looks to be screw top. So fairly modern sauce bottle. We're still on top really. Need to dig a bit deeper. Right, just pulled out a med bottle. It looks to be badly cracked, but it's a Compo registered. Well, we have another bottle which popped out. A nice cork top, it looks of it I think. It is plain, but it's got a nice shape to it. Cushy. Well, what can I say? This is a strange one. A torso. Right, screw top. Med bottles popped out. Woodward's Chemistry, it looks of it. Nice bruise on front. London. Woodward's Chemist, London. Right, we've got a bottle sticking out at wall. It looks to be intact. And genuine malt vinegar. Pretty common. Definitely probably 1940s, 50s. Normally come with a stopper. Well, look at that. That's a nice fancy spoon. I'll try and clean that up. But yeah, spoon. Right, another bottle showing its sen. Looks to have a lid on it. I've got a feeling this is a Dettol. Yep, it's an old Dettol bottle, damaged. Yep, says it on top there, Dettol. Right, as the next bottle that's popped out, we've got a blue. And this looks to be an Optrex bottle. They are quite nice bottles. It's got original lid on it. To be fair, it's still got something in it. Don't know if it's water or what, but I'll keep that, take that home. I've always liked the neck on them. Cushy. Right, we have our first beer bottle of the day. A nice amber, brownie amber colour. It's got some embossed writing on bottom. Let's have a look what we got. Zabadik. We have a Coop and Allsops bottle. I'm going to say 1950s, maybe 60s. So they are fairly modern, but it is a nice looking bottle, nice colour. If you got a reproduction label to put on that, that would look quite nice in a man cave or in a bar. Right, I've just pulled a screw top out. You do get these cork top versions, a lot older ones, but we have a Fletcher's Sauce Selby. They do look quite nice on a kitchen windowsill, these cleaned up, especially if they've got like an aqua tinge to them. Right, I've come across could be a wine bottle stuck in wall. Let's see what it is. We have a beer bottle. Let's have a look. It's got a note on it, just plain old. What a shame. An amber beer bottle. Cork still in top. Right, this little HB sauce bottle just popped out. I think it's a brown sauce, but I do roughly know what date this is because I have got a bottle at home, associated jam bottle, and on bottom it's got 1948 on bottom, and it's got the same screw top, so I'm guessing it's round about the same era, late 40s. Right, if you can see there's a smashed pot there, like a bowl. This were inside it, just on top. It looks to be an early screw top ink bottle. You can see there's a bit of ink still in the bottom of it. Right, in that same jar, that pot with this, and it's preserved a bit of label. Chivers full fruit standard strawberry jam. Cushy. I love labels when they're preserved like that. Right, we're having a little bit of a shower. The dark clouds just come over, but I've just come across this Silvercrin bottle, 1940s. In good condition, original lids on it. Right, a little Marmite jar's just popped out, a little bit of label on, but not much of it. It's an embossed one, so it is a 40s version, 40s, 50s. Right, I've come across a tile. It's a shame it hasn't got a picture on it. Leeds, England. But yeah, there's one there, but it's got a bit of a chip on it. But yeah, I might take that still. Clean it up. Well guys, that's got to be the smallest bottle I've ever found. That's got to be for a doll's house, isn't it? Got to be for a doll. So got underneath it. No. Well, look at the shape of that one. It is a screw top. I'm guessing it's a perfume bottle. What's it got underneath? A few serial numbers underneath. Well, look what I've found. It's got a little crack there. Early crown top. BYB, Bentley's Yorkshire Brewery. Nice little bottle that. I just very nearly smashed it with my spade. I wonder if I made that. I wonder if I did that. I don't know. But that's coming home, that. Very nice bottle. Well, we've got a nice little ink bottle. Cork's still in it, I think. Don't know if there's any ink still in it. Is it blue, that? What colour is it? Oh no, it's still got something in it. Wonder if it's just dirt. Right, screw top come out. AI sauce. The original thick sauce. That's 1940s. Right, we have a 1940s Pex meat paste jar in the shape of a grenade. That's what I think it's in shape of anyway. Excellent. Right, a little Bovril just popped out. 40s, 50s. Look at the label on that. That is a well preserved label. That is a beauty. Right guys, buzzing. Just in wall, just in roof there. As I was digging down here, it just fell out. Buzzing. Cork still in it. A not to be taken poison bottle. Buzzing. Excellent. Right, the bottle's popped out. This is a Goma Sol Tingley. Big cracking bottom though. Right, look what's popped out. I don't normally film many jars, but This is a funny looking jar. It's got a nice little, I'm going to call it a diamond shape on the sides, design. Right, just rummaging about in this little hole here, and look what I come across. Just smashing all that bit in there, and once again I nearly put my spade through it, but they're not to be taken, poisonous. Excellent, ribbed one. Just a clear version there. Right, a little screw top. Inkwell's just popped out. Cushy. Right, we have a milk of magnesia which just popped out. 1940s, maybe 50s. Nice blue milk of mag. Right, that's me done for today. I'm going to get home, get cleaned up. I've enjoyed myself. A lot of 1940s, 50s stuff's come out today. It's been a while since I've been on a dig. Obviously reasons being is I've had some construction work done on my house at first, which set me back a little bit on my videos. And then I've decided to go on to day shift, take a bit of a wage cut, go on to a day shift so I could see my kids a lot more for a week. I've been on lates for about 15 years now, and now I'm on days. My body clock was a little bit thrown off. I'm coming home from work now about 2 PM, starting to fall asleep at 5:30, 6 o'clock. So I just thought this is no good to make a videos, you know. I'm just going to be too tired, so I just needed my body clock to get back to normal, and it's starting to do that now. So hopefully I'll be out after work doing some videos. So yeah, I just want to say a big thank you for everyone for being patient. So yeah, on that note, I'm going to say peace out, and I will see you on the next dig. Take care.